Valley Career and Technical Center, located in Augusta County, Virginia, is the premier CTE center. While we have a wide variety of courses available, it is our hope that this series of videos will help you find your pathway to the future.
Good morning. Welcome to the HVAC lab here at VCTC. My name is Robbie Martin. I'm the HVAC instructor. I came to VCTC from Rockridge County High School, where I taught for 5 years. Before that, I was maintenance manager for student housing at UVA and at JMU. And before that, I was a refrigeration repair mechanic and service technician for 5 years. We offer HVAC-1 and HVAC-2. HVAC-1 completes OSHA 10 training and then begins to learn their new skills. They do PVC, piping, soldering and brazing, work with sheet metal. They do electrical wiring, work with the electrical meter, just to name a few. Near the end of the year-long class, they prepare for their CFC certification test. This allows the students very good job opportunities over the summer to gain some experience before coming back to HVAC-2. The HVAC-2 students come right back and pick up in the classroom. They start laying out the installations, sizing equipment. Their main project for the year is the complete install of the HVAC program over on the carpentry house.
My name is Cameron Sprouse. I'm a senior at Wilson High School. I have a lot of family members in the HVAC industry, and I've caught interest from them. And I plan to further my education at the apprenticeship school to hopefully make a lot of money.
By participating and successfully completing our 2-year HVAC program here at VCTC, you could become a service technician and installer. Our area is booming with a need for service technicians, and you will always have a job. The average salary for an HVAC technician in Virginia is almost $50,000 per year. Earning potentials are based on experience and location. If you think our HVAC program might be for you, contact us further to learn about shadowing opportunities, tours, and application dates.